Happy Thanksgiving, Phoenix. Halloween's gonna be here in a few weeks. Well, it's not going down to freezing for another week, it sounds like, so the flowers are still doing good. It's the 14th of October. Those curry plants seem to have kept the deer away. They really do smell like curry. Uh-oh. If that's a magpie or a crow, we gotta go in. They will eat you. This bird does not like vegetables or fruit. That's supposed to be 25% of their diet. But he loves juice. Loves juice. You want a bath? Want a bath on fine mist? Might be a little chilly for you though. So almost 6 o'clock. Uh-oh. God, I've never seen a windier year than this year. It's windy every day. And there was no wind at all in 2019, 5 years ago. I don't know. Climate change, global warming. I don't know. Okay, let's put it on mist. Let's see. No. Let's shower. Is this mist? No. No. I think that's mist. Yeah, that was mist. Hang on. Here comes another gust. Okay. Misting time. I picked the last of my cayenne peppers. They were pretty hot out here. I had some cayenne peppers out back last year, but they were pretty mild. These were hot because they got more sun. Ready? Are you ready? Phoenix, ready for your bath? Here it comes. There. Slight mist. That'll get all the parasites off of you. Oh, there he goes.